guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm pretty much just going to go over every shoe that's coming out this week that I plan personally on reselling, and just telling you guys what I'm going after and what I could make, but I'm probably not going to make it. First shoe that comes out on the 10th, May 10th, is the Jordan 1 Panda or the Jordan 1 Twist. They already came out overseas and they're selling for around $230 in larger sizes, the most profitable sizes. So if you're able to get those, then that's a good like $40 per pair if you can get them. Wouldn't recommend going after smaller sizes, but of course you guys can make your own decisions based on if you can sell locally or if you can sell to like a sneaker shop in your area. The next shoe is also on May 10th, the Tom Satch on Mars Yard, the overshoe. These are coming in at $550. I already joined all the raffles that I could for these, and I'm actually really hoping to get these because the Mars Yards originally, those are selling for over $3,000 right now, I believe. So if you get these, I'm not sure how good the value is going to be at first, but I know that you can cut open the overshoe to get the actual Mars Yard out. So I'm guessing that those are going to be floating around like $700 to $1,000 at first, but I think that they will go up over time, so I'm definitely going to hold those if I get them. The next shoe up is on May 11th, which is the Travis Scott Air Force One. I already did all the local raffles that I could for these, except for Foot Action because there's no Foot Actions where I live, but check your apps. And definitely just look these up on SoulLinks because they will update every single online raffle they can do or any in-store thing if you're close enough to it. And that's it for this week for sneakers. Now I'm going to talk about Supreme and streetwear. Alright, so for Supreme this week, I'm going to be going after the Grand Prix shorts. And that's it for Supreme, really. I mean, there isn't really much. There isn't really anything hype, except for maybe if the Champion collab's really nice, but I don't see it being nice. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and until next time.